Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some D-stash items I bought, some winnings I got, 2 orders I came in. So I'm here to share. First thing, I have to thank Aaron from, this says gift to Tina Massey, charge Aaron. So Aaron, thank you. It's a truck die. It's so cute. You get the truck. And then you get the little racking, the rack to go on the back of the truck so you can look like it's sitting there. This says be happy, get some foliage, the little, whatchamacallit you want to call it. You get some rubber boots, some bees, some flowers, little potted plants. Hello, enjoy the little things, some more flowers. Thank you so much, Erin, for thinking of me. Thank you. And this next bag of goodies is phenomenal, but we're going to do this. I don't remember buying this, but it's kind of cool, so it looks like something I bought. But, I mean, it was a while ago. Look at this material. It is definitely, like, mixed media, so, because, like, I didn't remember buying material, but that doesn't say I didn't, but, because after I got it, I'm like, yeah, I could see me getting it, so that's cool. And it has my name on, so I must have. So I could see me grabbing it. So that's cool. Like I said, I couldn't remember, but you never know. So I got this whole big awesome goodness from this sale, and I'm going to show you what I got. So I got this stencil brush. Do you know I have one of these and I never knew what it was for? I've used it to dust off stuff. I didn't realize it was a stencil brush. I've had it for a couple years now. I just had it the other day, and I was like, see? Yeah. I never knew it was a stencil brush. I don't know where I ever got it, but I've used it just to, I'm going to try it on a stencil. So that's a stencil brush. 5/8, looks probably about the same one. That's cool. Then I will just get out of this bag. It's in a bag. Ooh. Got some Christmas stickers. Little puffy Christmas stickers. Look at them. Santa. Put them away with Christmas. Then this is neat. Embossing Magic. Perfect for rubber stamps embossing every time. Oh, it says before stamping, rub embossing magic on top of surface to be embossed. Stamp design, sprinkle embossing powder over stamp impression, then tap this powder off, and embossing powder will adhere only to the stamp image. No more stray powder particles to ruin your impression. Apply heat source to embossing impression and resume rub. So what I'm thinking is, you rub this on the stamp, and then you can do the stamp design. Before stamping, rub embossing magic on top of surface to be embossed. Stamp design, sprinkle embossed powder. Then you would stamp it on paper, I take it? I'll have to maybe look this up more on YouTube and watch some videos. So I got that. Then we got Studio K. And they say family, treasure, celebrate, memories, friends, wishes, special, with love, adventure, and laugh. These are really heavy. They're metal. This is all a bundle, guys. This was a bargain. I was like, I believe what she asked for this. And I'll show you the last thing I was really wanting out of this. Not that none of the other stuff I won't use, but got some dies. It says window box number 11. Excuse me. SavoryStamp.com. And it looks like that. So I'm thinking it's like a label. You know, like you can fold it over on your paper. So I'm going to look that one up. And then we got cake plate. It looks like that. And we got those are made by SavoryStamp.com. This is made by Momata, whatever. But you got the seashell. You got the little steering wheel. The seahorse and the anchor. And then we got this one, which is cute. Balloons. Make some balloons and a bow. That's awesome. And then we got these. And these are movers and shakers. And I have some 3 punches. So you can make some punches, I believe. So I'll look that up as well. And I know there's another die in here somewhere. Right here. Look at this die. That's a cool die. Definitely look put this like on a mixed media piece. And then we got some paper sack, and it's, I don't know what you would call it, but it's not like tissue paper. I don't know what you would call them. It's pretty cool looking paper though. It's got a different feel than like even tissue. So that's there. Then we got some cards. I already looked at the stuff before I did the video. These are kind of cool. They're just little cards, and you get the cloud and the stars. Follow your dreams. I can write a note on the back of them. They're like journal cards. Magical, the rainbow, one in a melon, best friends forever, grapes, and hello, and it's a kitty. Cute, cute, cute. And then we got some cool looking stickers. These are, I think these are stickers, yeah. They're by Maggie Holmes. Look at that peacock. And tickets. This little squirrel. Joyful heart. A lot on here. Labels. Then the other side. It is stamps. Bicycle. Cameras. Ticket. Houses. So cool. And then, what was that? Got the alphabet. Gold. Small case. Turn it over, you got some numbers. Are they all small cases? Yeah. Lowercase. That's okay. They're gold. They're cool. And then we got another sticker. Beautiful, warm and cozy. Home sweet home. Look at the houses. Little bunny. Both sides. Cute. And then we got an embossing folder. It's in an activity scene. Oh, that's cool. This is what caught my eye of this whole bunch of stuff. When I seen this, I was just thinking of my mixed media piece and borders. And I'm just going to show them to you real quick. Look at, ain't that cool designs? I was like, yeah, I must have. And I got. I can't wait to pull these out and use them on my next mixed media piece for border. And then this one. I like flowers, the, call that stitch one. The dots and flowers. Tic Tac. That's like the game. Remember that with the game, the ball? That is so cool. And that is all from Barbara Hamilton's sale she had a few weeks ago. Thank you once again, Erin. Great deal, Barbara. Thank you so much. And we're going to move some of this over here. The next thing up is Vintage Rose. Kim had her 1K. Yeah. Yep. Had her 1K giveaway, and I won. And then she had prizes. I'm trying to see something here. And I won this journal. I can't remember who she said it was made by, but this journal is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. She had this card. It says, thank you. Yep, Vintage Rose Creation. And she had her 1K. And this is, I won 2 prizes. So I got this journal. I love this. I don't know how, but this paper feels like wallpaper. It's got this bees. And then when you open it, there's a pocket. And this is so cool because I'm going to probably art journal in this. Paper is awesome. But I ain't starting it until I finish my last art journal. It has another pocket on the back side you can stuff in. And then it has this little honeybee hive thingy in the back. I like that it's tied. So if I wanted to loosen the pages or remove a few, you can do that. So that's cool. I think you can. I also won this little bag with this pretty necklace in it. And I can't remember who made it. I'm really sorry, but it's gorgeous. I thought it was pretty on camera, but that's what it looks like. Look at that artmanship and all those dots. It's got that gem in the center. Look at that shimmer and shine. It's all those dots. I can tell you. It's gonna bug me. Hang on. I'm pretty sure they were on. She was on Kathy's. Oh, come on, world. Why is it when you want something you can't find it? There we go. Videos. Hang on, I'm mute. Bittlestone, Bittleston. That's who did this. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Very pretty. Love it. Okay, what do I do with the bag? I don't want to lose it. I probably might save it and give it to my granddaughter who's 17. I don't know. I may wear it myself. Who knows? It's really pretty. So that is from the 1K giveaway from Vintage Rose Cam. I couldn't figure out that package. I was tracking it and couldn't figure out who the heck that was coming from. And then we'll go this one. Jennifer, who was on Bima's sale a few weeks ago, she came across this die. She got a good deal on it. She asked if I would be interested. By Thinlits by Tim Holtz. Look at those. That is so cool. Love it. So I bought it from her. So thank you, Jennifer. Now, the next item up is the Future Class Bima. But I also bought gears from her. Metal gears. Them are so cool. I have a thing for gears. I got the wood ones, and if I see a good deal on gears, I usually grab them. So this was awesome, and I was almost out of all metal gears, so that was it was cool that you got them in. So we got that, and I'm not really gonna go open this too much because I don't want to lose the parts and pieces. But you got the little tray. You got the ribbon. You got the beads. You got these little shanky things. You got the hook. You got all those thingies. And the charms for this month's kit. Because Bima does monthly kits, and I buy them every month. I have fun and enjoy doing them. This is the Alice in Wonderland. Did you call it the Alice in Wonderland kit? I don't remember what you called this. Hang on. I'm not prepared. Too funny, Tina. I just talked to myself, too. Did you see that? Bima's an enabler. Just to let you guys know. Alright, kits. Right there. This is called... Oh. Guess what? I don't think she has any left. Wait a minute. Why did this... Come on. So I think these are all sold. But it was the Allison kit. I do believe so. Yeah, I think they're all gone. But this, I want to say Allison something. It's all Alice related. So that's that. And then, she always has this little bags with something in it for thank you. Just for ordering. And I can never get them open. Ooh, tickets. Oh, right to my heart, girl. Look at those tickets. Ooh. Nice. These are cool tickets. Awesome. Ooh, look at that one. It's a fairy. I can't even tell. There we go. Sorry, I didn't have my camera like focused on me, so I can't see if you saw them all. Floral. And then this one. Another floral. And that one. That is that. I think I got it all. Also, I'll throw this in just in case. I don't remember if I didn't do a video, so I'll do it right now. My daughter, I had some Christmas money. She gave me so much for Christmas, and I had a little bit left over that I didn't realize. And she told me that the other day, so I told her, well, go look at one of my stores. So she went into Perry Ann and things, and I had just calligraphy pens. So she picked up me the calligraphy pens, and then I had this in, only to realize I already had it, but that's okay. Dama didn't know, and I didn't too either, so I got that as well. And that's it. That's everything. So here, yep. So I want to thank each and every one of you who stuck around through this video of my dorkiness here, and saw what I picked up. I do have another thing coming in tomorrow that I picked up, some stamps, and I'll share that video when it comes in. And I think that's everything I got coming in. I don't want to lose that, so I'm going to stick that back in that bag right away. And close it up. There we go. So, I want to thank each and every one of you that stopped in, watched my haul video, I guess you can call this. And I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Thank you, but all ladies.